Are you looking for a photo editor who can make your memories more shine and memorable? Don't waste your time looking further. Hi, my name is Oro. I am a skilled and professional photo editor with over 5 years of experience in this industry. I offer a wide range of photo editing service including color correction. I will adjust the color balance, saturation and brightness of your photos to make them look their best. Photo retouching. I will remove blemishes, wrinkles and other imperfections from your photos. Background enhancement. I will enhance background and remove unwanted objects realistically if required. Color grading. I can add a custom color grading to your photos to give them a more dramatic or artistic look. Besides my skills, I am committed to provide best quality service within budget. I am offering you money back guarantee. I am really passionate and experienced to doing this job. So what are you thinking for? Just place an order and contact me.